So this is a cute little project I've done with scrap fabrics and pieces I found at home. I think this is a nice project to do when you've got odd stems lying about and it's a great accessory for a cord or some sort of kawaii fashion. So let's go!
Firstly, I attach the fashion fabric to the sleeve fabric using a running backstitch. This is because the fashion fabric is quite flimsy and this scrap of curtain fabric is thicker and will be reinforcement. It doesn't matter if the backing fabric is bigger than the fashion fabric as it's all going to be hidden on the inside. As usual, you can finish the edges with an overlocker, zigzag stitch or pinking shears. Then I add the scrap layers to the fashion fabric about halfway down. When sewn, I make a bow out of my ribbon and sew that to the side of the bag I plan to face forward. I then take the zip, pin it and sew it down around the top, keep the rest of the bag unattached. I changed my mind and I put the zip on the side. Working on the wrong side, I pin the rest of the bag up, trapping the ribbon in the seam so it will become the bag strap. This is completely unrelated to the tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys that my blueberry plants are growing. I'm gonna have some more fruit soon. I love spring and summer so much for growing plants and just watching all the plants grow. Look, my rosemary plant's like blooming. It's got some cute little purple flowers. There? There's like, it's got some cute little flowers on it. I tap this side, turn it over to see how it looks, then do this a few times till I think it looks nice, and sew it down the back stitch. And we're done!